All right, so we're on the 10-2 practice, rates and unit rates with decimals and missing values. Okay, so it gets a little more difficult here. Um, Make sure you're doing all the steps I'm talking about here. Okay, this is the way I want it done. All right, so 4 pairs of shoes cost $80. What is the cost of 7 pairs of shoes? So we're looking at how many dollars per pair of shoes. I'll just put shoes right here. Okay, so here we have $80. So we put down the ratio that we have first for 4 pair of shoes. We want to know how much 7 pairs of shoes are. That's going to go over here because we got to find the unit rate first. And then our answer is that one on the top. Um, so to get from to our unit rate, right, for 1 pair of shoes, we have to divide by 4. And I want you to do this on each one. Divide by 4. 80 divided by 4, like this, right? You're going to get $20 per pair of shoes. Okay, then to get from 1 to 7, that's times 7. Then you do the same on the top. 20 times 7, it's going to give you $140. So our answer is 7 pairs of shoes cost $140. Second one. Katie's goal is to read 6 books every 2 months. Based on this goal, how many months will it take her to read 24 books? Okay. Again, I know that you probably can do this one in your head, but I'm trying to get you used to the process for when there are harder ones. Okay. All right. So books per month, 6 books for 2 months. Now notice this says 24 books. So you make sure you put that on the books line. Okay. All right. Now we're looking for how many months. All right. So here we need to go from 2 to 1. That's divided by 2. Do the same on the top. Okay. Then on the top, to get from books to the amount of books we need, 3, that's times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. All right. Or you can think of it backwards and think 24 divided by 3 is 8. Do the same on the bottom. And you will end up with, it will take Kate 8 months to read 24 books. Okay. Third one. At the supermarket, 6 mangoes cost $6.12. What is the cost of 8 mangoes? So here the rate we're comparing is dollars per mango. Okay. So the ratio we have both parts of is $6.12 for 6 mangoes. We want to know the cost of 8 mangoes, but before that, we need to go to the unit rate. Okay, so 6 divided by 6 is 1. 612 divided by 6 gives us the unit rate for 1 mango. Okay, so let's not assume that we got that one in our head. Write that out right here. So bring our decimal straight up. 6 times 1 is 6. Bring down our 1. 6 is not going to 1. We can't just skip it though. 6 times 0 is 0. Bring down our 1. And then 6 times 2 is 12. So $1.02 per mango. All right. Each mango, notice down here, I put each mango costs $1.02. So that's the unit rate. Okay. But here we're looking for how much for 8 mangoes. That's going to be times 8. All right. So $1.02 times 8. 2 decimal places in the problem. So 2 in the answer. So it's 8.16. So therefore, the cost of 8 mangoes is $8.16. All right. Number 4, Steve can train 48 dogs in 6 hours. How many dogs can he train in 10 hours? So we have dogs and we have hours. So we have 48 dogs in 6 hours. We want to know how many he can do in 10 hours. But first, we got to see unit rate, how many you can do in 1 hour. All right, so 6 divided by 6 is 1. 48 divided by 6 is 8. Okay, then scale this back up. That's times 10. And then do the same on the top. And you will get, he can train 80 dogs in 10 hours because he is training 8 dogs per hour. All right, and last one, Mandy took a total of 10 quizzes over the course of 4 weeks. At this rate, after attending 18 weeks of school, how many quizzes will she take? So quiz, week. So 10 quizzes, 4 weeks. We want to know how much in 18 weeks. First, though, we're going to go down to 1 week. So you divide that by 4. Oh, no. Catastrophe. 4 doesn't go into 10. Okay, that's why we learn how to divide, right? So 4 goes into 10 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Add yourself a decimal and a 0. 4 goes into 25 times, so it's 2.5. 2 and 5 tenths. Okay, so 2.5 quizzes per week. And we're talking about 18 weeks. So 2.5 times 18 is going to give us our answer. 2.5 times 18. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16, and 4 is 20. Okay, and then 5, 2. All right, so now we add this guy up here. 0, 5, 4. 1 decimal place in the problem, 1 in the answer. That's 45. So Mandy is taking 2.5 quizzes per week, and she will take 45 quizzes in 18 weeks. All right. That is the work for the 10-2 practice. Make sure that's turned in and let me know if you got any questions.